This right here is the College of Education. Right next to the religion building. Got some palm trees there. That right there is the church right ahead. Religious building. Cullen building once again. This is all teaching. That's Law and Bates, the residence. Right there is the parking. And that whole building right there in front of us is a Cullen building, Performing Arts building. We're inside there. Came out from the vestibule and we've seen this really nice section of water. More of the education building. Looks to be about 5 or 6 floors. Palm trees. Again, maintenance guys. They seem to be everywhere taking care of everything, and it does show. I mean, just look how clean everything is. The parking lot, the sidewalks, everything is maintained, everything is cut, nothing overgrown. Look at how nice that looks. The two cougars, I don't know if you can see them. Show you. Cougar there and a cougar on the other side. That right there. Cullen building once again. Education. The name of it is the Stephen Power Farish Hall. We walked down before and see these buildings. This is going towards Cullen. Behind the Cullen building is where the seems like the main entrance of all the flowers are, the Hilton Hotel. Science building. More of the education building.